Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this video I'll be showing you how to play the Hamster Kombat Mini game puzzle to get your key. So today is 4th August 2024. First thing you do is to click on this mini game here. When you click on this mini game, you wait for this to load, and then when it shows you play, you click on it. But immediately you click, your time will start ticking. So all we have to do in this video is to move these candles, the green and red candles. So we have to move them and then make them be in place in such a way that we'll be able to move this particular key out of this exit within the time frame given. So because we are given like 60 seconds or thereabouts. So the first thing you do is to click on play here. When you click on play, you start moving the candles. So the first thing you move is this green here. Move this red down, move this, move this, move this, and move this, 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 then move this up, move this green candles here, move this down, move this down, move this, move this. We still have like 30 seconds or thereabouts to go, so there's still time. Then we'll slide this key now out of this exit. So let's go ahead and slide it out. So you can see the puzzle has been solved and it has been checked to show you that we've been able to claim the key, and so we've succeeded in playing the mini game puzzle. That's it for today's video guys. Ensure you like this video, subscribe, turn on bell notification, and also share this video. Thank you for watching.